3/4 cups of water, half cup of jasmine rice. Bring to a boil and then lower the heat to a simmer. Put some oil and corn in the pan. Get a lemon and the jalapeno. Quarter the lime and chop the jalapeno. Put the corn in a bowl and cover. Same corn pan with some oil and ground pork. Brown, season with Southwest seasoning, chili powder, and beef concentrate. Stir in a 1/4 cup of water. I think I might add too much. On top of the corn, put some cheese, juice from half the lime, the jalapeno, and some mayonnaise. Then mix. Rice, corn mixture, brown pork topped with more cheddar cheese, cilantro, and garnished with the other 1/4 of a lime. And don't forget to drizzle with some sour cream. Hungry Realtor. Follow for more tips.